Today we are uncovering the magic of artificial intelligence in Microsoft Office. AI in Microsoft Office isn't just for tech professionals, it's for everyone. Microsoft Office now includes powerful AI tools built right into the apps you use every day, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just organizing your home tasks, AI can help you get more done much faster. AI in Microsoft Office means your apps can now suggest edits, summarize long emails, help you build presentations, and even analyze your data, all with just a few clicks or a simple prompt. Some features are free for everyone, and others are part of Microsoft 365 or Copilot Pro subscriptions. Let's break it down. If you're using the free version of Office, like the web apps, you'll still get helpful AI features like grammar and clarity suggestions in Word, smart replies in Outlook, chart and pattern ideas in Excel, and presentation design help in PowerPoint. But if you subscribe to Microsoft 365 or Copilot Pro, you unlock even more powerful tools called Copilot. Copilot can summarize or rewrite full documents, create slides from a few words, analyze data using plain English, organize meeting notes, generate content, and more. Just look for the Copilot icon to get started. In MS Word, AI can clean up your grammar, help rewrite content more clearly, or even generate full paragraphs based on a prompt like, "Write a professional summary of this document." Copilot in Excel uses AI prompts to simplify complex tasks. It can generate advanced formulas from plain English, explain existing formulas, suggest improvements, automate logic-based workflows, analyze the data, and show insights. You can also use ideas to instantly suggest charts or spot patterns. In PowerPoint, just type something like, "Create slides about climate change," and Copilot builds the presentation. You can also use Speaker Coach to practice your delivery and improve your pace and clarity. In Outlook, Copilot can summarize long email threads or help you draft quick and thoughtful replies. Use Smart Replies for simple, one-click responses. In Teams, AI helps you by summarizing meetings, capturing action items. Speaker Coach in Microsoft Teams provides private, real-time, and post-meeting AI feedback to help improve your speaking clarity, pacing, filler word usage, inclusiveness, and delivery through personalized insights and even translating conversations in real time. And in OneNote, you can search your handwritten or scanned notes, dictate ideas, or ask Copilot to organize your notes by topic. To access all these powerful tools, you might consider a Microsoft 365 or Copilot Pro subscription. Here's what each option is good for. The free web apps are great for light use with basic tools. Microsoft 365 Personal gives one user full access to Copilot features. Microsoft 365 Family allows up to 6 people to use Copilot, perfect for households. Microsoft 365 Business is built for teams and small companies. And if you want the most enhanced features in Word, Excel, and more, you can add Copilot Pro on top of your current plan. Here are a few tips to get the most out of AI in Office. First, look for the Copilot icon in the toolbar. It's your AI assistant. Also, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account to activate premium features. Try using the web versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These often get AI updates before the desktop apps. So, as amazing as these tools are, there are a few things to keep in mind. First up, privacy. AI features may access content in your documents or emails, so always use secure, authorized devices. Then there's accuracy. AI might not always understand the full context, so it's a good idea to review what it generates. Over-reliance is another thing to consider. AI can help, but your critical thinking still matters. Also, let's talk about bias. Outputs may reflect biases from training data. And don't forget, confusion or resistance can happen. Not everyone understands how AI makes decisions, so a little learning goes a long way. Now, tech compatibility is key. Some features need specific plans or apps like OneDrive or Teams. And finally, adoption. Make sure your team knows how to use these tools. A quick tutorial or demo can make a big difference. AI in Microsoft Office isn't just for techies. It's for all of us. Whether you're writing an essay, managing a project, or replying to emails, these tools can help you save time, reduce stress, and boost your productivity. We bring you the latest AI innovations, even before they are available to the public. Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds.